Hi guys! If you're interested in making money or participating in the Beta Creativity program using a US TikTok account but need guidance on the process, then this video is for you. Before creating TikTok accounts, you need to prepare these things. Firstly, your device. You need to use an iPhone or iPad. Secondly, network. If you want to create US TikTok accounts, then your IP address needs to be located within the USA. You can change your IP address easily using a VPN. You can use any VPN service you prefer. I'm using NordVPN. Lastly, email address. You should use Gmail or Outlook, particularly clean emails that have not been previously used to register a TikTok account. TikTok is unable to determine the origin of Gmail or Outlook accounts, allowing you to use emails from any country. After preparing these things, let's proceed with the following steps. First of all, log out all your TikTok accounts on your device. Next, delete the TikTok app. Open the settings menu and switch to English as the language and set the region to the United States as follows. Go to General. Scroll down and select Language and Region. Set the preferred language to English. Choose the United States for the region. Then, open the NordVPN and connect to a USA server. Open ipfighter.com to check if your connection is properly routed to the USA. If it's working correctly, go to App Store to download the TikTok app. Open the app and sign up for a new account using your email as usual. And that's all. To confirm that your account is a US TikTok account, you can visit the Creator Tools section and check if the currency displayed is in dollars or if the top videos shown are from the United States. If you want to create multiple US TikTok accounts, you can repeat the process from the first step. And don't forget to switch to a different IP address. If you encounter any difficulties or have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment below. As for registering on an Android phone, the process is basically the same, although it may not be as trusted as using an iPhone. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss out on my instructional videos that walk you through the process of registering on Android. See you all in the upcoming videos.